Halo the Yellow, reporting for the all from the one. Today, or in this moment of now, we are exploring the payments and also pain and looking at the two forms of energy or the two words. Aren't they similar? Let's consider it. So, pain and pay. Within the word pain, you can see that you have the PAI or PAY, correct? And if you look at the word pay just by itself, it has it. So could it be that paying is the payment for whichever action you undertake, as in the consequences to your action, whether a useful action or a less of use action. So whichever you gonna pay and whichever you feel the pain. So it could be positive pain and it could be not so positive pain. An example, when you play sport, for instance, right, or do gymming, and you see how you exercise and you work your muscle in your body, your physical system, or even your mind, let's say, and that sort of pain that you gain after exercise, it's a lucky one, right? Makes sense. That's all we consider, and we also see that how, on the other hand, when we perhaps do something that it's not so useful, let's say overeat or just going to unnecessary stuff, let's say, there's a pain that feels uncomfortable, a pain that feels, yeah, you know what I mean, right? Like that kind of a sort of pain. Anyway, perspective. Which pain do you choose? Whichever way, pain you will receive. Yes, truly, the yellow and the word.